This is an important day in the life of the university, a day to celebrate the success of our graduates. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this ceremony and to formally declare this congregation of the university open. Please be seated.
Deputy Vice-Chancellor, distinguished guests, ladies, gentlemen, and graduates. My name is Jamal Aitwood. I'm the Executive Dean of the Faculty of Technology. Each year, we begin these events by saying what a privilege it is to welcome you to the university and our great city. Let me be open with you. Never before have these words been infused with as much emotion as they are today. And never before have I thought to say how wonderful it is to welcome you all in person. It feels good to say it, and even better to see you all here. You don't need me to tell you what a difficult time it has been since March 2020. We have all lived it. And for some of us, it has been more difficult than for others. Today, though, is a well-earned celebration for us all, but particularly our graduates. Today, you leave us having achieved what you set out to achieve when you arrived in Portsmouth 3 years, and in some cases more years ago. Because of the social distancing restrictions that remain in place, we cannot offer the full celebration as we normally would. I'm sure that it is a massive disappointment that the post-ceremony drinks reception cannot run this year. However, we have added a bottle of something sparkling in all graduates' gift bags, something to take away and drink at your leisure. We hope that this token will be at least some compensation for not having the opportunity to celebrate with your friends and staff of the university and be congratulated by the Vice-Chancellor. Despite all of these challenges, but possibly also because of them, it really is an immense pleasure to be able to personally and on behalf of staff at the university congratulate you, our graduates, on your well-earned achievement. I am immensely proud of your commitment to your studies during such disrupted times and your broader development as worthy citizens. In normal years, we talk about the amount of volunteering our students do to illustrate their credentials as great citizens. Of course, things have been different this year, although a considerable amount of vital activity has continued. Many of you will not know, for instance, that staff and students volunteered during the pandemic to help their communities, and members of staff play their parts helping with COVID vaccinations. However, this year, there is no need for me to find specific examples of your character and worth as students of the university. How you have coped with day-to-day life for more than a year is enough. For most of us, we have not been through a war, so we must keep our perspective. But in peacetime, no other generation of young people have had their freedoms curtailed in the way you have. There has been the occasional incidents of poor behavior which some of the media have latched on in order to tar all students' reputations, but the overwhelming majority of our students have behaved impeccably. You have done everything that has been required of you, and I am very proud of you. You might say, well, they should, and you would be right, but we should remember that in reality, all cases, young people have made sacrifices only to help others. I think it is worth marking the extent and scale of young people's selfless behavior throughout the pandemic. This marks them out as worthy of particular respect. It is also easy to think, well, we would do the same, and I hope we would. But those who say this are nearly always older, have more life experience, and see greater self-interest in staying at home and following the rules. I am amazed and proud at how you have coped and as your academic achievements show, flourished. We are lucky to have you as our students and now our graduates. Of course, you, our students, are also lucky. You have coped brilliantly, but not alone. You have had your support networks, your parents, partners, children, wider family, and friends all have helped by providing support, a shoulder to cry on, a listening ear. I suspect that in many cases, you have seen far more of each other than you expected and sometimes desired. But your supporters have kept faith in you and willed you on to succeed. And now you have fulfilled your ambition. I think it is appropriate that you, our graduates, should stand up with a round of applause, joining me in thanking your family and friends who are here today. So can I ask all the graduates, please, to stand up? Now, on the count of three, I'd like you to make as much noise as you can to thank your friends and family. And what I will do is I'm going to check how loud you are. I've got a meter that I'm going to be using. You expect me as a faculty of technology to use technology to measure how loud you will be tonight or this afternoon. So let's make as much noise as you can. The last session, we had it up to 90 dB. So let's see how far we can go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you got it up to 86. Can we see if we can get it to plus 90, please? One more time. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Well done. You hold the record now at 92. Excellent. Be seated, please. If there was one word to describe the world in the last few years, it would be uncertainty. The lives of most of today's graduates have been shaped by the financial crisis, political austerity, global environmental challenges, all the uncertainty and division around Brexit, and now the pandemic. It can be easy to be pessimistic, but I am not. And I want to tell you, our graduates, that you should not be either. When I look at you, I see passionate, highly skilled and educated people, full of ideas, ready and prepared to reshape our world. Seeing you all today is a tremendous feeling and a welcome reminder that whatever our current difficulties, our future is in good hands. You should also feel confident that you are graduating from a university that is recognized as part of the modern global elite of universities, tackling the real challenges of the 21st century. We have the best rating TEF Gold for our teaching. We are involved in cutting-edge research, for example, around plastics and cosmology. And we are taking a lead in addressing the problems of climate change. But we plan more, much more. The university has a vision that by 2030, we will be the top modern university in the UK and one of the top 100 young universities globally. We plan to become carbon positive by 2030, to be one of the leading civic universities in the country, to open the opportunities we offer to more of the young people who we know can benefit from them. And we plan to translate more of our academic expertise into practical results. We hope that as we realize our vision, we can make you all prouder of your association with the university. So today, we hope, is just a change in the lifelong relationship we want with you. Please make use of our excellent alumni association and keep in touch as you continue your journey through life. As you will be the future leaders, thinkers, creators, and innovators, we want to know what happens to you and keep in touch with you on your journey. The world desperately needs your talents, your creative minds, and your commitment to shape the world for a better future. And when you are successful, please come back to visit us and be part of our elite team supporting future generations of Portsmouth students. Please also remember that in graduating today, you are part of a privileged minority that has had the advantages of university education. With that privilege comes responsibility. Reflect on your obligations as graduates. You are trustees of the knowledge and skills that you have gained. Use your talents to make a difference for the benefit of others and set an example for others in your conduct, behavior, and achievements that others will seek to emulate. Finally, I urge you to live by the values of your university in all that you do. Be responsible, be open, be ambitious, and never settle for second best. I congratulate you on your awards and wish you every success for your future. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, in a moment we will come to the formal part of the ceremony, probably the most important part. And the Deputy Vice-Chancellor and the Academic Registrar will make the formal declaration after which the students will process. So formally, you are not graduates yet, you are graduands. So by the time we finish the session, you will be graduates. But before that, while we are getting students ready for their procession, we have prepared a short film of congratulations from colleagues across the university.
My name is Graham Galbraith, and as Vice-Chancellor of the University of Portsmouth, I want to take this opportunity today to say a big well done and congratulations for what you have achieved.
Hi, I'm Karen Blackett. I am the Chancellor of the University of Portsmouth, and I have the great pleasure of saying congratulations. Lots of hard work, I have no doubt, has got you through till today, so well done. All of that hard work has to be recognised, and you have to spend some time pausing, taking stock of exactly what you have achieved.
What you have achieved is quite extraordinary. You've worked hard over many years with dedication, and you have achieved your degree qualification. And you've done so during quite extraordinarily difficult times of profound change.
You are now one of over 250,000 graduates from the university, just like myself. And your journey with the university does not end here. We want to ensure that we stay in touch with you, that you get careers advice, that you get mentoring, you get all the help that you need ready for your next stage of your journey, whatever that may be.
We want to know what you're achieving. We want to know the great things that you are doing. And of course, we want to support you in your journey through life.
If you haven't secured or decided what your next step is, it's absolutely fine. Just take time, and please make sure that you spend today just recognising exactly what you've achieved. You're part of that global family, and you always will be.
Celebrate all your hard work and reflect on the many memories that you will have of life at the university, and of course reflect on the person that you have become. Thank you very much for entrusting those precious years of your life to the University of Portsmouth.
Deputy Vice-Chancellor, I confirm that those presented at this ceremony have successfully completed their studies and have satisfied all conditions and requirements of the university.
By the authority of the university, I confirm that all those who are duly qualified are hereby admitted to the awards for which they are presented.
Deputy Vice-Chancellor, I present to you the following successful candidates from the School of Civil Engineering and Surveying. For the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Moin Ahmed. Aya Alama. With first class honours, Faris Al-Khatib. With first class honours, Nouf Al-Monayeh. With first class honours, Sibgat Ullah Atif Rashid. Rhys Borden. With first class honours, Daryit Glenn Chung. Angus Colville. With first class honours, Moses Ajay Danzo. With first class honours, Serena Louise Grant. With first class honours, Caris Hartigan. Susu Hilang. Ted Moon. With first class honours, Haida Khan. Munza Khan. Lai Swan Tech. Kai Stephen William McLaren. Razmi Ibrahim Razmi Mary. With first class honours, Patrick Richard James Montgomery. Christina Omawumi Olusola Musa. With first class honours, Annunciate Maria Nabakwa. Kemi Oduntan. Dan St. John Perry. With first class honours, Lenny Ra'ai. Amir Mohammed Sharifnia. With first class honours, Sebastian Norman Robert Shaw. Carlton Arabi Thompson Wakama. Devon Vicaria. Mason Welter. For the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Construction Engineering Management, Jack Anthony Charlie Vobetridge. Haroon Mohammed Dyer. With first class honours, Lewis Simpson. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Building Surveying, Talal Al-Hindi. Daniel Antonio Civico. With first class honours, Isabel Ganaway. With first class honours, Simon Owen. Jaina Prasant Patel. Zhuzu Zwan Wang. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Property Development with first class honours, Rory Hudson Barnes. Kia Forsyth. With first class honours, Ellie Hurst Frost. With first class honours, Ryan Kelly. Daniel Shea. For the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Urmia Mogadassi. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Quantity Surveying with first class honours, Jack Charles Avenall. With first class honours, Natalie Burgess. Alexander Collins. Louis Blue Duvino. With first class honours, Tosin Michael Adoon. With first class honours, Michael Dimitri Gorgin. Aaron Hayday. Matthew Holden. With first class honours, Ben Christopher Owain Lawford. Matthew Oliver Luxton. Tatenda Kudakwashi Musoni. Ellie Nandago. Kine Newman Knott. Brandon Norcutt. Alex Michael John O'Brien. Paul Morgan Rainsford. Arietta Wainicolo Sydney. George Tomasetti. With first class honours, Elizabeth Katie Treadwell. With first class honours, Darren Wilson. Daniel Windsor. Wu Wei Pin. For the award of Master of Engineering in Civil Engineering with distinction, Ryan John Charles Bannister. Connor Buckley. Daniel Kweku Dadzi. With distinction, Iman Albriri. With distinction, Mike Ellis. Michaela Dominique Garuccio. With distinction, Matthew Halton. With distinction, Andrew James Lawton. Kogashri Ramtahul. With distinction, Aaron Richmond. Luca James Sharp. Brandon Warrer. With distinction, James Wigley. James Wright. For the award of Master of Science in Building Information Management with distinction, Alexis Antoniou. For the award of Master of Science in Civil Engineering, Nuahan Morsi. For the award of Master of Science in Civil Engineering with Structural Engineering, with distinction, Darit Abrahar Gebre Ixiabe. For the award of Master of Science in Construction Project Management, Thomas Isaiah Joseph Garland. Peter Mungu. For the award of Master of Science in Quantity Surveying with distinction, Leah Rose Abrook. Harry Lloyd Blackman. With distinction, Emma Flindell. Peter Handy. With distinction, Lee Jack. With distinction, Matt William Sycamore. For the award of Master of Science in Real Estate Management, Michael Abban. For the award of Doctor of Philosophy in Civil Engineering and Surveying for a programme of research in a BIM-enabled procurement framework in new buildings for the Nigerian architecture, engineering and construction industry, Torkuma Jijingi. Deputy Vice-Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of students from the School of Civil Engineering and Surveying.
Deputy Vice-Chancellor, I present to you the following successful candidates from the School of Mechanical and Design Engineering. For the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Innovation Engineering, with first-class honours, Jessica Edwards. Liam King. Adonai Sampson. Max Henry Sellers. For the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Manufacturing Engineering, Bill Battersby. Brandon Clifford. With first-class honours, Aidan Lewis Hartland Davis. Taylor Jane Hayes. With first-class honours, James Kirwan. With first-class honours, Samuel Martin. Joseph Santos Macy. With first-class honours, Jake Costo Nethercott Cable. With first-class honours, Michael Olubusi. D. John Dominique Ong. With first-class honours, Robert Neil Panther. With first-class honours, David Parsons. Lukshanan Ramanusam. With first-class honours, Harrison Joseph Richmond. Peter Runting. With first-class honours, Matteo Zagaya. For the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, Cesar David Albor Rodriguez. Yakub Altubaini. With first-class honours, Timi Ategioye. With first-class honours, Bryn Babington. Constance May Brocklebank. With first-class honours, Samuel Nicholas Dainton. With first-class honours, Robert Dodds. With first-class honours, Mark Jessen Ndaya. Rudraksh Gaur. With first class honors, Lauren Gilbert. With first class honors, Max Glover. Sachin Gohil. Emrit Gurung. With first class honors, Alexander Hickson. With first class honors, Ajit Singh Jaswal. With first class honors, Dan Johnson. With first class honors, Neeraj Kanaharaja. Farad Kurami. Ben Kilgariff. Emily Nicole Lascano Machuca. With first class honors, Alex Lukoc. With first class honors, Yusuf Mohammed Abbasali Mansour. With first class honors, Tisha Masava. Calvin Mayer. With first class honors, Matthew Edward McKay. Mohammed Zaki Mohammed. Bob Nicholas. With first class honors, Hayden Nye. Christophoros Papiris. With first class honors, David Parker Ware. With first class honors, Georgia Pringle. Nithilan Rajaji. With first class honors, Ashley Robertson. Ben Christopher Roberts. With first class honors, Matthew Rogers. With first class honors, Liam Rudd. Robert Schuller. With first class honors, Stefan Serbich. Matthew Shotibi. Tianhao Sun. Michael Tang. With first class honors, Joshua Taylor. With first class honors, Daniel Alexander Thompson. Brian Varghese. John Walker. Mark Stanislav Wibley. With first class honors, Paul Whittington. Alex Winter. Jason Wiseman. Greg Woodhall. With first class honors, Eric Woolley. Jakub Altuvaini. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Industrial Design, with first class honors, Kieran Bruno. Alex James Hawes. Sean Otti Ackenton. Emmanuel Temiloluva Oyemankide. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Product Design and Innovation, with first class honors, Daniel Collins. James Cooper. With first class honors, Samuel Fensom. Sam Flynn. With first class honors, Jack Gatward. With first class honors, Simran Garg. With first class honors, William Kent. With first class honors, Jake Lancaster. With first class honors, Neil Lascombe. With first class honors, Tom Lush. Adam Meredith. With first class honors, Nathan John Moss. Aaron Newman. Radu Nikolai. With first class honors, Michael Duarte Pereira Rees. Damian Potuzinski. Prajal Rai. With first class honors, Erin Ramadan. Mirak Slaby. With first class honors, Harrison Smith. Owen Welsh. With first-class honors, Glenn Wicken. With first-class honors, James Wooster. For the award of Master of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, Mitchell Barrett. TJ Botwright. James Branfield. Samuel Carr. Elliot Dowling. James Hutchings. With distinction, Samuel Long. Max Nelson. With distinction, Samuel Payne. Michael David Peters. Hashika Paris. With distinction, Martin Shakir. Chi Moon Tang. Jacob Tussler. For the award of Master of Science in Advanced Manufacturing Technology, Emmanuel Ellemore. With distinction, Ed Lewis. Frederick Lim. David Nicholas Wheeler. For the award of Master of Science in Engineering Management, Satish Bimala. For the award of Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering, with distinction, Kyle Bishop. Ashwin Apan. Dishwar Feta. Cyril Sebastian. With distinction, Purity Waihuini Veveru. For the award of Doctor of Philosophy in Mechanical and Design Engineering for multi-scale evaluation of bone combining indentation, in situ XCT mechanics, and digital volume correlation, Katerina Karali. For the postgraduate diploma in public administration, Rafiq Arthur Kwam. For the Bachelor of Science in Computer Networks, Solomon Bogu. For the PG Cert in Occupational Health, Titi Lope Pavodu. With first-class honors in BEng Electronic Systems Engineering, Jordan Taylor. For BEng in Mechanical Engineering, Kieran Gill. For B.Eng in Mechanical Engineering, Oluwalonimi Ayejitoye. For B.Eng in Civil Engineering, Paul Adewale Tella. For B.Eng Honours in Civil Engineering, Louise Warner. With distinction in Master of Science in Building Information Management, Gilda Moradinej. Deputy Vice-Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of students from the School of Mechanical and Design Engineering and for today's ceremony. Deputy Vice-Chancellor, I present to you Annunziata Maria Nabakwa to respond to the University on behalf of the graduates.
Senior Deputy Vice-Chancellor, honoured guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honour to speak on behalf of the students of the class of 2020. And to the students, congratulations, we did it. There is a Chinese proverb that says, if your vision is for a year, plant wheat. If your vision is for 10 years, plant trees. And if your vision is for a lifetime, plant people. We have been planted here at the University of Portsmouth, and although we are celebrating the fruits of our achievements today, the strength, resilience, and knowledge we have gained from this experience will last for a lifetime. Reflecting back on our journey, for many of us this was not an easy one. We all here have studied courses that are vital to the ever-changing world around us, and which have given us the power to solve problems and change the world. This has been made possible by the University of Portsmouth, which has been crucial in nurturing our growth and working tirelessly to not only provide us with quality education, but to support us in so many ways. From the lecturers and tutors, to well-being, the library, the Students' Union, employability, and all those others who have been there for us. I would like to offer a very big thank you on behalf of all the students for everything you have done for us. This is more than just a degree, this is a legacy. With this in mind, let's make the most of opportunities to display our gratitude by paying it forward. We have the ability to plant seeds of social change using our knowledge, support, inspiration, and encouragement. As Maya Angelou says, when you learn, teach, and when you get, give. Now it's up to us to produce results that last for a lifetime. Thank you.
At this point in the ceremony, it's usual for our Chancellor, Karen Blackett, to give a short address to congratulate graduates on their successes. Unfortunately, Karen can't be with us this afternoon, but she has prepared a recorded message for you all. So let's hear from our Chancellor.
Congratulations to all of you. This is an immensely proud day for you, your friends, and your family. You should be incredibly proud, as I am proud of sharing this day with you as Chancellor of the University of Portsmouth. Now, I have been where you were 29 years ago, and although that was a long time ago, I still remember how emotional the day is. I remember the immense sense of pride and joy on my mother and my late father's faces as my name was announced and I was called up. You should feel incredibly proud. Now, myself and my sister were the first generation in my family to go to university, and this may be true for some of you today. You are pioneers. Your time at the university will go on to become a big part of who you are and what you go on to achieve. You will leave this ceremony today at least a foot taller than when you first arrived at the university. I hope your time at the university has helped you to unlock your true potential and also, and really importantly, unlock your self-belief as it did for me. I really want you to try and remember the friends that you're sitting next to and who are around you that you have made at the university, as these are your cheerleaders. Please also remember the lessons that you have been taught and that you have learnt during your time at the university. These will act as your compass. Now, you leave the university today under very different circumstances to what all of us have expected, into a world that seems increasingly uncertain. A world of work that has changed forever. I really don't want you to worry. What you have to do is trust your head, your hearts, and then trust your gut. You will need to be strong and resilient. You are equipped to deal with this uncertainty and any future change. You've got this. Most importantly, I want you to find your purpose and I want you to find your happiness. Now, this may not seem immediate right now because of the euphoria of graduating today during the ceremony, but you will need to find it. And when you do, grab hold of it with both hands, as it will guide you through life. You have the potential to make the world a much, much happier place. I wish you Godspeed and I wish you good luck. I wish you all the luck in the world in fulfilling a really joyful and happy life. Now, go out, change the world, and congratulations on being a graduate of the University of Portsmouth.
I'd just like to add my congratulations to those that have been expressed by others, and my thanks to all of those who have supported our students, now our graduates, through their studies at the university. It now comes to me to declare this congregation closed. Please be upstanding for the academic session.